All right, everybody, there seems to be still a lot of confusion about what this exit task is, so let me break it down for you guys. First, you're writing an essay. Here's the essay. Okay, you're selecting option A or option B. Okay, you're writing an essay based on either what option A asks you to do and what option B asks you to do. Let me go over option A for people who want to do that. Okay, so as we wait for this to load, you're going to scroll down after clicking that link. For option A, you are going to write an essay answering one of these 6 prompts. You'll say, answer either, here's number 1. This could be your prompt. Some students have a background, identity, interest, or talent that is so meaningful they believe their application to a college would be incomplete without it. If this sounds like you, then please share your story. Okay, so for this one, you would be sharing your story of something that has been impactful in your life, something that's changed you. Tell me one moment from your story of your life that you would feel like people need to know about. All right? This one is similar to our failure assignment. It says, the lessons we take from obstacles we encounter can be fundamental to later success. Recount a time when you faced a challenge, setback, or failure. Ooh, look, failure. How did it affect you, and what did you learn from the experience? You could write an essay on that. Or you can reflect on a time when you questioned or challenged a belief or idea. What prompted your thinking? What was the outcome? Maybe you challenged something that was said amongst your friend group about a certain race or ethnicity or religion, or maybe you questioned your religious background or questioned something your parents did. You're going to tell that story, okay? Number 4, this is describe a problem you've solved or a problem you'd like to solve. It can be an intellectual challenge, a research query, a question, or an ethical dilemma. Anything that is of personal importance. Okay? Explain its significance and what steps you took or could take to identify a solution. So maybe you want to write about how bullying needs to be stopped. Maybe you need to talk about mental health care in America. Think of those topics from the end of last year in our U.S. history class when you guys did the Change America project. Maybe you could take one of those topics and describe how you found a solution for that, and you're giving an essay on that. Number 5, discuss an accomplishment, event, or realization that sparked a period of growth and a new understanding of yourself or others. Okay, so discuss something that happened in your life where you finally understood yourself, or you feel like you came to terms with something about yourself, you grew personally, you became a better human, something of that sort, okay? Telling your story, this is about you. Or, that's an essay for that. Or number 6, you would describe a topic, idea, or concept you find so engaging that it makes you lose all track of time. Why does it captivate you? What or who do you turn to when you want to learn more? So maybe for this one, you are so obsessed with, I'm trying to think, water conservation in California. And when you are looking at articles and things about water conservation, you are enthralled. You have to read everything. Okay? Why? Why do you think that's so meaningful to you? And if you don't know, if you want to learn more about that topic, if you want to learn more about water conservation, that's just an example, who would you turn to, or what do you turn to if you need to find answers? Okay, so that is option A. There's 6 things. You guys are confused because I've given you too many options. Pick one, write an essay. I'm going to show you option B here shortly. Option B, like I said the other day, requires a bit more research. It would require you to find a scholarship that you want to apply for, and then write an essay according to whatever the scholarship's asking. So, for example, I went onto FastWeb and I looked up essay scholarships. I'm scrolling. Okay, this one says climate. Maybe I want to write about climate, but I have to work with people. I'm not good at that. Oh, scholars helping callers. I want to be a veterinarian. Let's see if this one requires an essay. You must submit an essay between 500 and 1,000 words with 2 to 3 photos of your volunteer efforts to help animals in need. Here is the prompt. How that involvement has changed your lives or shaped your perceptions on the importance of animal welfare in order to be considered for this award. So, you'd be writing an essay about how your involvement with animals has changed your life or shaped your perceptions on animal welfare. If you want to find out more, you click on it, okay? So this contest has an essay that says, you propose and argue for a new and better way of doing business in the Marine Corps. Okay, that's an essay you could write. And then you'd apply for that, hopefully. Maybe you could win $3 grand. Okay, let's see. Anything else? 800 words essay on the following topic. Give your opinion on the importance and efficacy of the 7th Amendment and how it affects your life. So you'd have to probably know already about the 7th Amendment, be interested in that, okay? So that is what I mean by a scholarship essay. You have to find a scholarship that requires an essay, write it, and then we apply it, okay? If you don't want to do that, that is A-okay. You are going to do option A. But you still have to choose one of these 6, okay? It's really not that difficult. Don't be so confused with all the choices, all right? So if your friends are having trouble, really give them this video. Tell them to help. This will help them. I hope it helps you. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Hopefully you have some topics chosen and some writing done. All right, bye.